You are looking for Eden Prairie insulation services? We can help. Insulation installed by CHIP can meet all of your insulation requirements. The loss of air through your walls, windows, doors and basements can cause serious damage to your indoor environment. Properly done, insulation and air sealing can work together to lower the chance of moisture-related molds and rot. They also increase indoor comfort and noise by eliminating drafts. Air leakage does not necessarily have to be bad. A home that is sealed too tightly can result in increased levels of carbon monoxide from combustion appliances, including furnaces, water heaters, and gas stoves, condensation, humidity issues, and stagnant air. The selection of the ideal insulation contractor is an important decision. Don't know where to start? The home you own is an investment. When you are looking for a contractor to offer spray foam, there are some things that will be unique. You should inspect the home for any signs of insulation. You should insist on quality and raise any concerns with your contractor. In the case of new construction, ask your contractor if they can inspect insulation before it is installed. This is something that contractors and builders don't want to do. However, after the drywall is installed, it can be difficult to see if mistakes have been made and more expensive to repair them. It isn't an issue with insulation installed by CHIP. Don't compromise. This is your house and you will need to learn from any mistakes. Insulation installers are a type of construction worker who can install insulation on new buildings or add it to existing projects during renovations or remodeling. This group works with site owners and managers to help them determine the right insulation material and to plan where it should be installed. Participating in an energy audit will help you to understand your home's efficiency. The home performance contractor can assess and decide the proper levels of insulation and ventilation in your home. Your home's cooling and heating costs can be reduced by effectively air sealing. If done correctly, air sealing reduces mold and rot risk, removes ice from the roof and increases your comfort. Most air leakage areas are found in attics and basements. There are several ways that you can effectively seal your house, depending on the budget and your comfort level. To seal your home better, there are many options. There is basic spray foam and silicone, or acrylic latex, caulk. Talk to CHIP. Insulation installed by CHIP to find the best product for your specific situation. A professional contractor is recommended to achieve best results. Why? You can save substantial energy by having insulation or air sealing installed by qualified contractors. Combining insulation with air sealing properly can result in additional cooling and heating cost savings. Your home will be quieter if it is properly insulated. Insulate all surfaces in your home that are exterior and interior. There are several ways to insulate your home properly, depending upon your budget and level of comfort. It is easy to correctly insulate your home with a few simple steps. Once your problem areas have been air sealed, you can determine if the insulation inside your house is adequate. You may want to start in the basement or attic. In your attic, for example, add insulation to make sure your insulation meets the level of the floor joists. You should also consider the size of your basement and attic when choosing the insulation product. We can help you choose the right product for your needs. R value is a measure of the thermal resistance, or effectiveness, of an insulation material. The higher the R value, the better. The R value, or amount, of insulation depends on your climate and how you heat and cool it. Installation by professionals may be required depending on which type of insulation is being used. Talk to a professional contractor to find the best products for insulation. A professional contractor is recommended to save the most money. The contractor will look at your whole home when insulating it. An experienced contractor can help you reduce your energy consumption by installing insulation and air sealing. Give us a call if you want to get the best Eden Prairie home insulation service. We can help.